welcome you to watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. Since the time of Don Bosco, the message of the Strena has accompanied the life of Salesian communities through the world as a guideline that traces paths of education, evangelization and development in relation to the signs of the times and the life of the Church. For this reason, the presentation of the message of the Strena is a moment awaited with keen interest by the whole Salesian family. For the coming year, the message is already ready under the banner of the motto identified by the Rector Major as leaven in today's human family. Following the well-established tradition, the 10th successor of Don Bosco, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, will present the message during a courtesy visit to the community of the Generalate of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA. Subsequently, the video that accompanies and illustrates the meaning of the message of the Strena with the power of images will be projected. The 24th Permanent Formation Course for Missionary Pastoral Care concluded on December 8, 2022. If at the beginning of the 3 months of study, the participants had questions, doubts and perplexities, at the end, the rereading of everything they experienced led them to thank the Lord and all those who contributed to this course's success. The Permanent Formation Course in Missionary Pastoral Care, which restarted this year after a 2-year suspension due to the pandemic, was attended by 26 students, 8 Salesian priests, 15 Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, 2 Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians, and a lay catechists of all ages from 30 to 80 and of 16 nationalities. This wealth of nationalities posed the problem of language. Classes were given in Italian with the possibility of interventions in other languages, English, Spanish, Portuguese and French. Coordinated by Father Samuel Amaglo, a Portuguese academic director of the course, the team of 23 lecturers, 17 Europeans, 5 Africans, 3 Indians, had 400 hours of teaching time at its disposal. Each lecturer had 5 to 12 hours, except for the director who had 30 hours for introduction, conclusion and the central theme mission. Each lecturer thus had to concentrate on the essentials of an always abundant subject in a short time. It was the beginning of a lifelong formation which is to continue throughout life in an ongoing debate between theory and practice with the help of aids and a select bibliography. Thousands of people with physical disabilities from Vietnam's northern provinces have found love, solidarity and unity as they join Christmas celebrations at a church center in Thai Binh. Last weekend, 10 to 11 December, about 5,000 people with physical disabilities attended a special gathering to celebrate Christmas at the Divine Mercy Center at An Lak Parish in Vu Thu district, about 12 kilometers from the center of Thai Binh Diocese. The participants, most of them non-Catholics, were served by nearly 1,000 volunteers, including religious and college students. On December 17, 2022, the Rector Major has appointed Father Boonlert Anthony as the 17th Superior of the Province of Thailand for the next 6-year term, 2023 to 2029. Father Boonlert Anthony was born in 1975 and became a Salesian of the Province of Thailand in 1996. After his initial formation in Thailand, he was sent to Italy for theological formation, 2003 to 2006, with specialization in Salesian spirituality, 2006 to 2007. Returning to Thailand, he was assigned to carry out his ministries as formator in the Aspirante, 2007 to 2012, as provincial delegate for youth ministry, 2008 to 2012, and in the novitiate as the Rector and Novice Master 2012 to 2022. In June 2022, he became a member of the Provincial Council. Under his guidance, many candidates and young confreres have assimilated the Salesian spirit and engaged in various Salesian services in the province with high perseverance. Last May 2022, the Rector Major had himself presided over the ceremony of the first religious profession for 10 novices, a record number in the history of Thailand, considering the fact that the Catholic Church is a minority in the country, around 0.3% of the population. Young people from the Salesian missionary group in Kinshasa visited the Papi home that cares for children from broken families and is run by the Salesians of Don Bosco. This visit was part of the celebration of the 3rd anniversary of the founding of the Salesian Missionary Group of the Africa Congo Vice Province ACC. The day began with Mass presided over by Father Jacques Isha, SDB, leader of the group, followed by the departure for Papi House. Upon arriving at the site, the missionaries were warmly welcomed by the children and the head of the house, Father Lon Tony Shibagu, and carried out various activities including painting trees and cleaning the courtyard. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.